Hi cookies, welcome back to my channel. With Christmas coming closer, let's crochet a sweet and charming Christmas ornament together. This easy pattern is perfect for beginners and the result looks magical. All materials and abbreviations are listed in the description below. So grab your hook and yarn and let's start creating. Start by chaining 16 stitches. Row 1. Now begin in the second chain from the hook and make 1 slip stitch. Then make 1/2 double crochet in each of the next 13 chains. And finish with a slip stitch into the last chain. Chain 1 and turn your work. Each row starts with a chain 1 for turning and we begin in the second stitch from the hook. Row 2. Start by working 1 slip stitch into the back loop only of the second stitch from the hook. Then make 1 yarn over slip stitch of the next 13 stitches through both loops. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over again and pull through all loops on the hook. Finish with a slip stitch into the back loop only of the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 3, repeat row 1. Start by working 1 slip stitch into the back loop only of the second stitch from the hook. Then make 1/2 double crochet of the next 13 stitches through both loops. with a slip stitch into the back loop only of the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 4, repeat row 2. Start by working one slip stitch into the back loop only of the second stitch from the hook. Then make one yarn over slip stitch of the next 13 stitches through both loops. Finish with a slip stitch into the back loop only of the last stitch. We will work all odd rows the same as row 3 and all even rows the same as row 4. Repeat this pattern until your work has a total of 26 rows. Flip the piece with the wrong side out, fold it in half, and sew the edges together using your hook. Leave a long yarn tail to sew the bottom of the piece. Now insert your foam or plastic ball. If you are using Fiberfill, first tighten the bottom edge and then stuff the bauble. Tighten the bottom of the bauble. Now we'll do the same with the top edge. You can keep the bauble as it is or add some decoration. I use ribbons, for example. Choose any colors you like. All done, cookies! If you loved making this Christmas bauble, hit the like button, subscribe for more cozy crochet projects, and tell me in comments which colors are your favorite. Sending you warm hugs and see you very soon.